Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make a tuna salad. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 stalk of celery, a quarter of a medium yellow or red onion, a quarter cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of sweet pickle relish, a tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard, a teaspoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of parsley flakes, a half teaspoon of black pepper, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 10 ounces of chunk-like tuna and water, and optionally, a half teaspoon of lemon zest. We'll start by rinsing our celery and draining our tuna. I like to use the tuna lid and push down to thoroughly drain out any extra water. Then, we'll peel and finely dice our onion and finely dice our celery. Next, we'll zest our lemon until we get approximately a half teaspoon of zest. We'll add these to the bowl, slice our lemon in half, and add a tablespoon of lemon juice, the juice of about 1/2 of a lemon. Then, we'll add our tuna, quarter cup of mayonnaise, tablespoon of sweet pickle relish, 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard, teaspoon of minced garlic, teaspoon of parsley flakes, half teaspoon of black pepper, and quarter teaspoon of salt. We'll mix these together until well combined, before chilling our tuna salad in the refrigerator for at least an hour. We'll serve this over some toast, a bed of lettuce, or even canned peach or pear halves. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.